Looking for the best ferns to make your garden lush and green? Today, we're diving into the world of ferns, exploring 5 that are easy to grow and maintain, perfect for both beginner and experienced gardeners. Stay tuned as we introduce you to these 5 fabulous ferns. First on our list is the Boston Fern. Known for its lush, feathery fronds, it thrives in humid conditions and indirect light. Its ability to purify air and adaptability to pots makes it a fantastic addition to any garden. The Boston Fern, a classic choice for a reason. Next, let's talk about the staghorn fern. This unique fern, resembling a stag's antlers, brings an exotic flair to any garden. Its distinctive antler-like fronds are a captivating sight. For a touch of the unusual, you can't go wrong with the staghorn fern. Third on our list is the delicate maidenhair fern. This fern is known for its soft, feathery fronds and unique beauty. It brings a sense of tranquility to any garden, creating a peaceful oasis. The maidenhair fern, a tranquil beauty that's hard to resist. Fourth on our list is the robust sword fern. This evergreen plant thrives with minimal care, its arching fronds painting a picture of vitality in your garden. Hardy and adaptable, it's a lush green statement that's hard to ignore. The sword fern, a robust addition to any garden. Finally, we have the Australian tree fern. Its large fronds are truly a sight to behold, creating a bold statement in any garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great gardening tips. Happy gardening!